Wow, look what just got in. UPS driver snuck it in. Didn't even hear him. The memory foam seats are heavy. That's good. Super atomic foam. Looks good. Oh, this feels nice. Let's try it. Wow. Looks a lot bigger. It's even bigger than the Seat Concepts. Let's take a look. Wow, would you look at that? This actually looks like a copy. Very good copy of the original seat mold. Let's see if it is. Wow. And it actually fits and it keeps the lines. Isn't that nice? Fits as good as the stock seat pan. Some kind of memory foam. It's got a little bit of addition here, which might not be a bad thing. I'm gonna have to let's sit on it. Oh yeah. Much better. I actually like the way it looks. Yeah. Wow. That is awesome. The only thing I might do is paint that black. A little loose right there. It's probably because this is stretched. Pretty damn good fit though. Pretty damn good fit. Good job. My ass will thank you.
Thank you!
Very nice. Alright, this one looks like at the lowest point. Wow, looks like 35. Maybe a tad more, like 35 and a quarter. 2 thumbs up. Look at the difference. This one is a keeper. So to sum this one up, the seat pan is perfect. It's almost identical to the stock seat pan. It went on, all the bolts lined right up. The trim to the lower plastic side panels was perfect. I give this 5 stars. Excellent.
Thank you!